Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Tab Active 3 and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll down to find the display. Now in this right section, just localize the screen timeout option, and as you can see here we've got some options from which we can choose. At the top we've got relatively short options, and at the bottom the longest option, which is 30 minutes in this device. Currently we've got the 30 seconds option applied. As you can see, this option is marked, and all we have to do is to simply tap on the option we would like to use. So I'll pick 5 minutes. And as you can see, it is immediately marked, and after getting back you can see that it is immediately notified right here, which simply means that from now on, after 5 minutes of an activity, this device will black out. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.